transferring the block line onto the foundations. So what we put for the profile is going to be transferred onto the ground, and that is it. So if your profiling is not good, the same way your building is going to be crooked. The laying is ongoing. Everyone is very busy raising it up. We first setting the first blocks to have everything we needed. All the columns are at where they're supposed to be. Ongoing.
So welcome back to another motivational video of building a house in Ghana, and it is the episode 8 of Madam Fatima's project here in Tema Committee 25. And today's video is about the foundation block work, where we've started with the setting out of the various space, the rooms that we have in this project. And of course, we will be looking at the cost breakdown of the block work and also the concrete casting of the columns. So stay tuned, like the video if you haven't, subscribe also, so that you can get latest update and follow with the project. So as you can see, the block work is progressing and the land is a little bit of a slope, to the back. That's why here has to be about 5 blocks being laid high. And before we cast the concrete to hold the blocks, Nat has to come and confirm, with the drawing, that what he put on paper is what has been done on site. Just in case there's any correction and the measurement, we check again. Like I said, we check, we cross check, and then we double check as well. So this is the plan, the floor plan that he put on paper, and that is what we've been able to put out there that you can see for yourself. And this is what elgigogh production group is about. Teamwork makes a dream work. Like I said, we check each other. So if you are dealing with one of us, you are dealing with everybody, because we like to check each other that everybody is doing the right thing. So one thing that I also noticed getting these videos is about a neighbor who has already done the windows and already fixed air condition. The poly tank is also on the way, meaning the neighbor is moving in very soon. And this is the energy, and the motivation we wanted for Madam Fatima. The neighbor saw us coming. We told the neighbor that we sold the land to someone, and immediately the neighbor was like, okay, I know how fast you guys will go, so let me also start doing my finishing. And this is the place that the guy has already started, and the guy knows us, because we were part, not completely part with the construction. The land was through Mr. Kwete, and we have some of our artisans working on this project. Like the burglar proof was done by Mighty, Metal Works, which is Frank. If you go to my playlist, you see his work, and already the tiling is going on. I shared this video earlier on, and Felix is the one doing the tiling for this project. So it's a whole production group that we have here, from start to finish. And I said it is all about teamwork. So if you need any assistance with any artisans, like I said, if you go to my playlist, they are all there. You can get in touch with them, you can deal with them directly. But then if you want to start the whole project, then you can just go through the contractor, and then he will handle everything for you. So check in my playlist if you want, the artisans. And I also, one subscriber asked in the comment that they want to see a project that I have, started and finished. My channel is just like 4 to 5 years. And the project that, we've started on this channel, we haven't gotten to the completing yet. That's why you don't see any, start to finish on this channel. But trust me, very soon we'll be finishing most of our work. But these guys have been working for a long time. They have projects that they finish for us to show you, meaning we have to go and ask the people to make videos. And they were not familiar with, Gigo Production Group when the guys were building for them. So that is why I cannot show you. Like the ones I've done is the apartment, which I showed you, and also the duplex, the three houses which was built on 1.5 plot. That was because I saw it from the foundation, so then I could put it out there, and it was also kind of like a commercial where they want to sell and rent those houses, so it's possible to make those videos. So as you see, this house, if you've been following the channel in episode 1, this thing wasn't there, this structure wasn't there. But you see how fast the place is developing. This is a developing area, and that is why we brought Madam Fatima to this place based on how fast she wants to move to Ghana, and the kind of business she wants to get herself into. It's not just about building a house and moving in to Ghana, but the question is, after the construction, after your house is done, what is next for you? What are you going to do? How are you going to survive in Ghana? So that was the question, and that was why, we brought her, or we started with this project with Madam Fatima. So I also want to show you, this is a container, school which was built in Accra, and my contractor, was behind this project, and I just want to show it once again. I think the last time I posted this video was 2 years ago, and just wanted to show because someone asked, wanted to see some of our finished product, what we've done, in the past and stuff. Like I said, my channel is just 4 to 5 years, so I cannot really show you much unless we go into the homes that we've done with people and ask them that we want to showcase. And so I just wanted to show you, what we did with this container school. It's not only about block work that we do. Like I said, my builder, brother Sammy, is engineer. He's a real engineer. He's a contractor. We are not just just any roadside hala hala construction ongoing here. No, you when you're dealing with Gigo Production Group, you are dealing with professionals. And trust me, the professionals, they don't have time to be doing YouTube videos and showing. That's why I took it upon myself that I want to showcase, what he is doing. And that's how I came up with the channel. So this is the finished product of the school. And the two guys that did this, they worked here was Atta J did the carpentry work for this, project, and Brother Sami and his boys did all the iron and the welding and everything. So if you really want to do something nice, even though like I said, I haven't shown you a complete project yet, but we know how to finish, projects. It's just step by step. Like I said, I want to take my time to do everything step by step, you know. That's why I keep mentioning that you go to my playlist so that you check the project that you haven't seen, and so that you can follow the process. And trust me, if you have people who are good and trusted, they can build your house for you, going through my videos, and because the tips are more important. If you have the tip, you can do it. So this is just by the way. Let's get back to Madam Fatima's project. So we are still doing some few finishes, with a 3D drawing. So in my next episode, we're going to look at the finishing of the foundation, bitumen emulsion, the painting, and also we start with the filling. and then I can come with a cost breakdown cost so that we know how much it costs for the whole foundation if we're going to end up at the 10,000 that I did mention. So thanks for staying with me. I really do appreciate your time spent here on the channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next episode. Let's get to it.